I'm Michelle Feeney. I'm the founder of Floral Street Fragrances, and we're here to talk about a collaboration with the Van Gogh Museum on a fragrance called Sunflower Pop.
I'm standing here in front of one of the most famous paintings by Vincent van Gogh, the Sunflowers.
I was trying to capture the beauty and the richness of the south of France. It's vibrant, it's colorful, it's the essence of the masterpiece in a bottle. I use on top of the fragrance some citrus notes like bergamot, mandarin, and both of them are from Calabria, Sicilia. They are sustainably sourced. The heart of the fragrance brings some heat with the blue iris and the plum blossom. And then the back carries you to the beginning of the evening with like an unexpected warmth coming from a synthetic honey, because Sunflower Pop is a vegan fragrance.
If you've got this on your dressing table, that's your piece of fine art every single day.